What's up guys? Ito na naman yung ating pinakahihintay na bagong cover song ng bandang Mission Souls. Ito yung kanta ng ABBA, yung pinamagatang The Winner Takes It All. Ayan, napakagandang kanta nito guys, napaka-iconic. Ayan, pakinggan natin kung gaano kagaling, gaano kalupit ang bandang Mission Souls. Plakado ni Naces, yung sa piano. Sarap pakinggan, ano? Galing talaga magpiano ni Naces. Napaka-detalyado ng kanyang mga pagtipa.
I don't wanna talk about things you've gone through, though it's hurting me.
Ang lamig ng boses ni Stacy dito. Tsaka gusto ko yung kanyang pag-i-strumming, napakalinis.
Now it's history. I've played all my cards, and that's what you've done too. Nothing more to say.
Hintayin natin yung pasok ng tatlong instrumento. Yung gitara ni Nisha, drums ni Ice at ni bass guitar ni Daddy Second. Tignan natin yung timing nila doon pagpasok.
No more race to play. The winner takes it all. The loser standing small.
Taas ng boses.
Beside the victory, that's a destiny.
Yan, pumasok na yung drums at bass.
In your arms, thinking I belong there.
Medyo bumilis yung no, yung beat ng kanta. Parang medyo naging tunog disco na.
I figured it made sense. Building me a fence. Building me a home.
Gusto ko yun, yung bassline ni Daddy Second na yun. Sarap pakinggan.
Thinking I'd be strong there, but I was a fool.
Samahan pa lang napakagandang boses ni Mami Sheena. Grabe talaga tong pamilyan to.
Playing by the rules. The gods made their own dice. Their minds as cold as ice. And someone way down here.
Kuha ni Mami Sheena yan, yung timbre ng vocalist ng ABBA.
Loses someone dear. The winner takes it all. The loser has to fall.
Lupit naman nun yung kanilang harmony. Grabe. Napaka-flawless.
It's in when it splits. Why should I complain?
Abangan natin kung may adlib si dito, si Nisha.
Does she kiss like I used to kiss you? Does it feel the same?
Ganda ng tunog nun, no? Nung keyboard ni Naces na yan.
When she calls your name, somewhere deep inside, you must.
O diba? Hindi lang pang-rock ang bandang Mission Souls. Kahit anong genre kaya nilang tugtugin. Grabe, di ba? Napakagaling nila.
know I miss you, but what can I say? Rules must be obeyed. The judges will decide.
Anong taon ba sumikat to, tong ABBA? I-comment nyo lang guys sa mga nakakaalam.
The likes of me abide, spectators of the show, always stay in the
Talagang namana ni Stacy yung ano, no? Yung taas ng boses ni Mami Sheena. Pareha sila ng timbre ng boses. Ang taas.
The game is on again. A lover or a friend. A big thing or a small.
Napapaindak si Daddy Second sa beat nung tugtugan nila.
The winner takes it all. I don't wanna talk if it makes you feel sad.
Gusto ko yun, yung bigla nag-fade yung tunog nila. Galing.
And I understand you've come to shake my hand. I apologize if it makes you feel bad. Seeing
Galing talaga nila sumipra, grabe.
me so tense. No self-confidence. Just you, the winner takes it all.
Ang dami nilang pondong kanta, no?
The winner takes it all.
Hataw si Ice.
So the winner takes it all. And the loser
Galing nun, yung tunog ng drums na yun.
has to fall. Throw the dice, cold as ice.
Ang gaganda talaga ng mga kanta ng ABBA, no? Hanggang ngayon talaga marami pa rin kumakanta itong mga kanta nila at nakikinig.
Way down here, someone here takes it all. Has to
Ang ganda nun, no? Yung tunog ng piano na yun, yung sa dulo. Yung matas na pitch.
fall. Yes, it's fate. Why complain?
Yun, no? Napapahataw si Daddy Second. Grabe. Ayun, wala lang adlib si Nisha dito sa tugtugan na to. Talagang ganun lang talaga yung areglo ng kanta. O di ba guys, solved na naman kayo sa pakikinig sa banda Mission Souls. Talagang napakalupit talaga ng pamilya to pagdating sa musika, no. Talagang halos nasa kanila na lahat ng talent sa musika. Ayan guys, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa bandang Mission Souls, andyan po sa ating description yung kanilang channel. Supportahan natin at panoorin yung kanilang mga napakagagandang cover song guys. At kung mahilig ka sa mga ganitong klaseng reaction video, mag-subscribe ka na rin para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod pa nating re-react. Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood.